Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Arthur. If you love amazing facts about sea creatures and extreme stories from the ocean depths, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 8 most dangerous deep-sea creatures. From lightning-fast predators to deadly venomous animals, you'll discover who really rules the underwater world and who you definitely don't want to meet face to face. So get comfortable. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And let's dive into this amazing and dangerous underwater world. Interesting facts about the bull shark. Lives in both saltwater and freshwater. The bull shark can survive in both ocean and river environments. It has been found in the Amazon, the Ganges, and even the Mississippi River. Extremely aggressive, considered one of the most dangerous sharks for humans. Often attacks suddenly, especially in murky waters. Often mistaken for the great white shark. Many shark attacks are attributed to great whites, but bull sharks are often the real culprits. Can live far from the ocean. Bull sharks travel hundreds or even thousands of kilometers up rivers. They've been caught as far inland as Illinois, USA. Powerful jaws. A bull shark's bite is strong enough to crush bones and the shells of marine animals. Hunts alone. Unlike some shark species that hunt in groups, the bull shark prefers to hunt alone. Nickname river shark because of its ability to live in freshwater. It is often called a river shark. Size usually grows to 2 to 3 meters, but can reach up to 3.5 meters and weigh more than 300 kilograms. Excellent camouflage. Its gray top and white underside make it nearly invisible in murky waters. Part of the big three, along with the great white and tiger shark, it is one of the 3 species most frequently involved in attacks on humans. Interesting facts about the great white shark. Apex predator. The great white shark is at the top of the ocean food chain, with no natural predators except for orcas. Impressive size. Adult great whites typically reach 4 to 6 meters, 13 to 20 feet, in length and can weigh over 1,100 kilograms, 2,400 pounds. Powerful bite. Its bite can exert up to 1.8 tons of pressure, enough to crush bones and hunt large marine animals. Excellent sense of smell. Great whites can detect a drop of blood in 25 gallons, 100 liters, of water and sense prey from over 1 kilometer away. Speed and agility. Despite their size, they can swim up to 56 kilometers per hour, 35 miles per hour, and launch surprise attacks from below. Unique hunting technique. They often breach the water completely when attacking seals, creating dramatic jumps seen in documentaries. Long lifespan. Great whites can live 70 years or more, making them one of the longest living shark species. Electrosensory system. They have special organs called ampullae of Lorenzini that detect the electrical fields of prey. Migratory behavior. Some great whites travel thousands of kilometers across oceans, following food sources and seasonal patterns. Misunderstood reputation. Although feared, shark attacks on humans are extremely rare. Most great whites avoid people whenever possible. Extremely venomous. The box jellyfish is one of the most venomous creatures in the ocean. Its sting can cause heart failure, paralysis, and even death within minutes. Transparent and hard to see. It's almost invisible. Cube-shaped body makes it extremely difficult for swimmers to spot, increasing the risk of accidental stings. Specialized tentacles. Each of its tentacles is lined with thousands of nematocysts, tiny stinging cells that release venom instantly. This makes the box jellyfish a dangerous predator and ranks it as the 3rd most lethal marine creature to humans. Found in tropical waters. Primarily inhabits the coastal waters of northern Australia, the Philippines, Thailand, and other parts of Southeast Asia. Can swim short distances. Unlike many jellyfish, box jellyfish can control their movement to some extent, propelling themselves to catch prey or avoid obstacles. Diet. Feeds mainly on small fish and shrimp, paralyzing them with venom before swallowing whole. Life cycle. Has both a polyp stage, attached to surfaces, and a medusa stage, free-floating adult, allowing it to reproduce efficiently in its environment. Sting treatment. Vinegar can neutralize undischarged nematocysts, but severe stings require immediate medical attention and antivenom. Sensitive to light. Box jellyfish have clusters of eyes called rhopalia, allowing them to detect light and navigate, even without a brain. Rare but deadly. Although encounters with humans are uncommon, the box jellyfish is responsible for more deaths in Australia than sharks each year. Deadly beauty. The cone snail is one of the most beautiful yet most dangerous sea creatures. Its colorful, patterned shell hides a deadly weapon. Venom stronger than a cobra. Some species have venom so powerful that it can kill a human within hours, and there's still no known antidote. Shoots a venomous harpoon instead of biting. The cone snail fires a tiny, hollow harpoon-like tooth into its prey, injecting a paralyzing toxin. Cigarette snail. It's sometimes called the cigarette snail, because if it stings you, you might only have time to smoke one cigarette before you die. Master of stealth. The cone snail hunts at night, burying itself in sand and ambushing small fish, worms, or other mollusks. Uses a chemical cocktail. Its venom contains hundreds of different toxins that attack the nervous system, muscles, and heart. A true biological weapon. Scientists study its venom. Researchers are developing painkillers and medicines from cone snail venom that could be 100 times more effective than morphine. Slow but deadly. It moves slowly, but its harpoon strikes lightning fast. Faster than you can blink. Found in tropical waters. Cone snails live mostly in warm, shallow waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, especially around coral reefs. Small but lethal. Most cone snails are only 5 to 15 centimeters long, but even the smallest species can kill a person if handled carelessly. Stonefish. The world's most venomous fish. The stonefish holds the title of the most venomous fish on Earth. Its sting can cause intense pain, paralysis, and even death if not treated quickly. Master of disguise. It perfectly camouflages itself as a rock or piece of coral, making it nearly invisible to both predators and prey. Deadly defense mechanism. Its 13 sharp dorsal spines inject venom when stepped on or threatened, a natural syringe filled with powerful neurotoxins. Found in shallow tropical water. Stonefish are commonly found in the coastal regions of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, often lying motionless on the seafloor. The pain is legendary. People who have been stung describe the pain as unbearable, one of the most excruciating sensations known to humans.
Can survive out of water. Surprisingly, a stonefish can live out of water for up to 24 hours, allowing it to survive low tides or being stranded.
Interesting facts about the electric eel. Not actually an eel. Despite its name, the electric eel is not a true eel. It's a type of knife fish, more closely related to catfish than to real eels. Generates up to 600 volts. An electric eel can produce electric shocks up to 600 volts, powerful enough to stun a horse or even knock a human unconscious. Has 3 electric organs. It uses 3 specialized organs, the main, Hunter's, and Sachs organs to generate and control electric discharges for hunting and defense. Uses electricity to hunt. The eel emits short bursts of electricity to paralyze prey like fish, frogs, or small mammals before swallowing them whole. Electric radar. Besides attacking, electric eels use weak electric pulses to navigate murky waters and detect objects, like a built-in sonar system. Lives in murky rivers. They're found mainly in the Amazon and Orinoco river basins in South America, where visibility is low and electricity gives them an advantage. Can jump out of water. When threatened, electric eels can leap out of the water to deliver a stronger shock directly to predators. Long and flexible. They can reach lengths of up to 2.5 meters, over 8 feet, and weigh more than 20 kilograms, or 44 pounds. Needs to breathe air. Even though it lives in water, the electric eel must surface every 10 minutes to breathe. It gets about 80% of its oxygen from air. Inspires modern technology. Scientists study electric eels to design new types of bioelectric batteries and soft robots that mimic their electric power systems. Interesting facts about the barracuda. The torpedo of the ocean. Barracudas are incredibly fast predators. They can reach speeds up to 36 miles per hour, 58 kilometers per hour, making them one of the quickest hunters in the sea. Razor-sharp teeth. Their long jaws are filled with sharp, knife-like teeth that can slice through flesh and scales with ease, perfect for tearing apart prey. Ambush predators. Barracudas prefer to surprise their victims. They stay motionless, waiting for the right moment, and then strike with lightning speed. Shiny things attract them. They're known to attack shiny objects like jewelry or diving gear, mistaking them for fish scales glinting in the sunlight. Solitary hunters, but not always. Most barracudas hunt alone, but young ones sometimes form groups called schools for protection and teamwork in hunting. Can grow quite large. The great barracuda, the largest species, can reach up to 1.8 meters, 6 feet in length, and weigh more than 45 kilograms, 100 pounds. Excellent vision. Barracudas have very sharp eyesight, allowing them to spot prey even in low light or murky water. Found in tropical and subtropical seas. They inhabit warm waters around coral reefs, seagrass beds, and near-shore environments all over the world. Dangerous but misunderstood. While barracudas have a fearsome reputation, attacks on humans are rare and usually caused by confusion or provocation. Important for ocean balance. As top predators, barracudas help control populations of smaller fish, keeping marine ecosystems healthy and balanced.
Giant squid. One of the largest invertebrates on Earth, the giant squid can reach lengths of up to 13 meters, 43 feet, and weigh nearly 450 kilograms, 1,000 pounds, making it one of the biggest creatures in the ocean. Huge eyes, the size of dinner plates. Its eyes can be as large as 25 centimeters across, the biggest eyes in the animal kingdom, helping it see in the dark depths of the ocean. Rarely seen alive. For centuries, the giant squid was known only from dead specimens washed ashore. The first video of one in its natural habitat was captured only in 2012. Deep-sea dweller. These mysterious creatures live at depths between 300 and 1,000 meters, where sunlight barely reaches. Armed with powerful tentacles. It has 8 arms and 2 long feeding tentacles covered in suction cups lined with sharp teeth, used to grab and hold prey. Feeds on fish and other squids. Giant squids are carnivores that hunt deep-sea fish and even smaller squids using stealth and lightning-fast strikes. The legendary Kraken myth. Many sailors' tales of giant sea monsters attacking ships were likely inspired by encounters with giant squids. Fights with sperm whales. Sperm whales are their main natural enemies. Deep-sea battles between the two have left scars on whales and squid remains in whale stomachs. Jet-powered swimmer. The giant squid moves by expelling water through a funnel-like organ called a siphon, propelling itself quickly through the deep ocean. Still full of mystery. Despite modern research, the giant squid remains one of the most mysterious creatures on Earth. We've only just begun to understand its secretive life in the dark abyss. Wow, what an incredible journey! The world is full of mysteries, some beautiful, some dangerous, but all absolutely fascinating. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new exciting videos. Thanks for watching, As always, stay curious, stay brave, and see you in the next video.